Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the try again later error on Instagram. First, when you see the try again later message, stop trying to perform any more actions like liking, commenting, or following accounts. Continuing these actions could worsen the situation, potentially leading to temporary account restrictions. The easiest way to reset this error is by logging out and logging back in. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, tap Settings, and scroll down and tap Logout. Once logged out, wait a few minutes, then log back into your account. Sometimes this simple step is enough to resolve the issue. If logging out didn't help, try clearing the app cache if you are on Android. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, Applications, select Instagram, then go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you can uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh it. This can help if the issue is caused by corrupted data within the app. Sometimes the try again later error can occur due to a weak or unstable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue clears up. If everything seems fine on your end, Instagram might be experiencing server issues. You can check Instagram status on websites like Download Detector to see if others are facing similar issues. If all else fails, the error may resolve itself after a short period. Instagram sometimes temporarily restricts accounts when they detect unusual activity. It's usually lifted after 24 or 48 hours. So try waiting out and refrain from overusing actions like liking or following in bulk. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the try again later error and get back to enjoying Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!